You've just seen that rhino over there. So guys, if you know the difference between an antelope and a gazelle, kindly do let us know in the comment section. Don't forget also, Nairobi is the only city in the world with a national park. The sun is too hot, so most of the animals are inside the bushes. Niaje? Ana alisema ati imeraruka.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself.
So guys, we've just seen that rhino over there, and I'm happy to see one person is actually interested in subscribing to my channel.
People are appreciating what we are doing.
Yeah.
We are giving you great content.
And this is on ground.
Content.
This is on ground. We expect to see more online. So the online family, you have to come through, support this channel.
Yeah.
And I don't think if this place is forbidden. Yeah. Let's go and see, because I can see a guard over there. Yeah. So this place is very nice. We've just seen the rhino on the other side. It's actually resting. We have so many birds here.
Natural indigenous trees.
Yeah. Hello. Habari. Are we allowed to? Yeah. Okay, thank you. So guys, this place was actually created if you come here to watch the rhinos, this place has been constructed to make sure that it gives you the best views. Yeah, the best views ever to see the rhino. Actually the rhino hangs around here, and you can see the food that it feeds on, the hay. Yeah, and you have to be very careful. This is an electric fence. You just have to be obedient. Yeah, don't be stubborn, because you might endanger your life, and your own life.
Why is a circle there?
You can see a circle over there. I don't know what's it.
There's a reason why there's a circle.
But that's the rhino that we've just seen it. It's actually resting. Yeah, you can see that rhino. It's resting right now. Yeah, so guys, let's continue walking and see what we've got in here.
We still have some amazing things.
Yeah, we are just getting started. Power, thank you. So let's still continue showing you what we've got here inside Nairobi Nature Walk. It is called a nature walk because right now you can see here it's all about nature. So guys, one more thing, don't forget, this is Langata Road, and we've got Wilson Airport just around here. That's why you can hear some planes passing over our heads.
They're about to land.
They're about to land. That's why you can hear the noise is too much. Yeah. So I can see. I don't know, but euphorbia. Yeah, euphorbia. But I think you'll just cope up with the noise, but it's not too much because some planes pass here once in a while. Not once in a while, almost every time.
Yeah.
They oftenly pass here, so it's something that we already used to it. So let me show you. We have another view here for the rhino, and it is actually very nice. Let me show you. So you can see the rhino is over there resting. It's sleeping. That rhino is very huge. Don't forget, the rhino is also one of the big 5 animals that we've got on earth. And here in Kenya, most people come here in Kenya to see these animals. They are also endangered species because some poachers normally hunt these rhinos for their we call them tusks or horns.
The horns or tusks.
The horns. Tusks are on elephants.
And this thing, I think, is over. So it's over like 2 tons.
Yeah, this
Very
thing
big.
is very big. It's very big. So let's continue touring this place and see what we've got right here. Huko kuna nini? So we've got something here also. Let's see what we've got right here. Chinese. Ni hao.
Korean.
So this is a forest habitat or sehemu za misitu. Here it's all about the habitat. You've got to see some, I think, the birds and how animals live here, and some also indigenous trees here. So I don't think if we have much here because you see we don't have these barriers,
Yeah.
so we cannot go past this point.
And some gates are closed.
Yeah, and the gates are closed. So here we have some toilets in case you are pressed while inside here. You can just respond to call of nature because we are exploring nature. You can just respond to call of nature while here. You can see the ladies there and the gents. Yeah. So I might also need to try because I'm pressed. So this place is equipped with washrooms, very nice washrooms, and you can see this is the gents. Come in. This is the gents. You can, the urinals. You can wash your hands here. Then if you have to do the other serious business, you can do it over there. So I will use the urinal here.
2,000 years later.
So guys, let's see what we've got right here. So we expect to see the African lion here. So guys, we expected to see a lion here, but the lion is on the other far end. I don't think you can see it. We've really struggled to see it. It's sleeping. You know, these lions are not active during these hours. If you want to get them very well, you have to check on them in the evenings. But what I like about this place is also the nature in it, the natural beauty. Yeah. And also the signage here is very well done, because they show you what you expect to see on a certain region. So let's see some ostriches here and zebras. Guys, don't forget, this is the male ostrich. We have a zebra over there and some gazelles, antelopes actually. We also have this animal over here. This is a wild beast. Yeah, this is a wild beast. Yeah, it's a wild beast.
Guys,
Umeiona?
do you know the difference between an antelope and a zebra and what is it called? Antelope and
Gazelle.
gazelle? Let us know the difference on how you understand them in the comment section.
Yeah, so guys, if you know the difference between an antelope and a gazelle, kindly do let us know in the comment section. So guys, I also wanted to set some records straight or clarify on something. So I had told you earlier, we have an ostrich there. So that ostrich, I'll make it easier for you to know. This is a male ostrich, and to differentiate between a male and a female ostrich, the male ostrich is black and white in color. The female ostrich is gray in color. Just that. So you can be able to tell the gender of this ostrich. So comment below this in the comment section if this was helpful or not. Just comment. And don't forget to like this video, comment and share. Yeah, and I had also asked you to comment below this video and tell us if you know the difference between an antelope and a gazelle. That's a very good question, how to differentiate an antelope and a gazelle. So if you know, just comment below this video in the comment section. So guys, don't forget this place has electric fences, and I can hear this fence actually some ticking sounds of electricity. Yeah, if you touch here, you are a dead man. If you touch there, you are a dead man. You'll be electrocuted. This is to keep the animals not to cross over where we have some people here working. You know, it will be a dangerous move if the animals come. If the animals come to this side. So continue watching this video till the end. Continue watching this video till the end as we show you what we've got right here in the Nairobi Nature Walk. Expect to see some leopards here. In Swahili they call them chui. So I've spotted one. It is on the tree over there. So we have one over there on the tree. And you know very well, these animals climb trees. They are very good at doing that. place is. Yeah, beautiful views, nice walking place, very nice footpaths, and indigenous trees around you, and some good air. No chaos here. Yeah.
Leopard. Mbona madoadoa pale?
Kuja muone hapa. Ndio ile pale.
Unaiona ma?
Ndio.
I think your fence unaona design iliundwa.
Haiwezi ruka. Alafu miti iko karibu na fence.
Check your place. Ni mahali pa kutoka ama ni pipes? I think ni kama hii because unaona hizo pipes hapa chini. So wako kama mbao.
Sana.
Unaona hiyo ni mpya bra, hiyo ndio inaundwa, hiyo ni mpya. Hii ni unaona ni miti mpaka chini.
Hii hapo ni Lang'ata.
So guys, here we are still in this I can say a trail or a footpath, and it ends here. So we want to see what's here, where it ends at. So we want to see what we've got here before we go on the other side, and we also want to visit another place, the animal orphanage. So keep watching this video till you get to the end, and make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. Subscribe, like, comment and share as we tour Kenya and Nairobi to show you what you need to see about Nairobi or places to visit in Nairobi. So come with me. So we are almost coming to the end of this trail, or this nature walk path, but it doesn't mean that we are done. We still have a lot to see on the other side. So this is just the end of this path. So let's see what we've got right here, and see what's so important about this place, because I can see a small stream. We have a small stream here, and I guess this is where some animals come and drink water, and another footpath is being constructed here, and as you can see, this is a modern one, not like the one we are walking on, because this one is built on purely trees and logs, but the other one looks modern. We have cement and some metal pipes. So this one is the modern one, and I guess they'll have to do away with this, the old one, but this one looks natural. when you walk on them, you just feel you are feeling the power of nature. So come with me. Take a photo.
Iko tu sawa tena.
So guys, as you have seen, we don't have important things on this side, but I presume the animals are there because I can see a watering point there. So I guess the animals are there, but right now the sun is too hot, so most of the animals are inside the bushes trying to escape this sun. The sun is actually very hot in Nairobi right now. Yeah, so we are expecting the rains to come back as we were told that the rainy season is going to start in March. Though it has delayed, we are already in mid-March. So guys, we don't know what's inside here, but this place, the structures alone show you that we have some stores or animal houses. We have another structure over there, an iron sheet structure. I guess it's no. These are stores, and I presume that's the iron sheet structures are washrooms, lavatories, or pit latrines. Here I can see some sorts of stores. Yeah, there are stores. So guys, that's a wild beast if you don't know it. Don't forget also, we are close to Wilson Airport. That's why you are seeing so many planes passing over our heads. And don't forget also, Nairobi is the only city in the world with a national park inside it. And we have, next to the national park, we have Wilson Airport. So Nairobi is a cool place to visit. So we expect to see cheetahs around here because I can see signage showing some cheetahs here. Yeah, and as usual, you've been warned not to feed the animals. This is normal in any national park. Na kuna animal pale chini, buffaloes. Zile mbili pale. Hizo ni buffaloes. Here kuna cheetah. Kuna cheetah mahali. So guys, we expect to see cheetahs here. You can see most signs show that we have a cheetah here. And if you see this glass, this is for viewing dangerous animals that might harm you. So, and we have so guys, I guess we are coming to the end of this nature walk, and on the other side, we are also going to bring you another video, another awesome video. And as I told you, this place, Wilson Airport, is next to this national park. So don't worry about this. And also one thing about this national park, it is this nature park is inside Nairobi National Park. So the next video is about the animal orphanage. So let's see what we've remained with before we sign out and go to the other side. So let's see what we've got right here. And you can see a lot of trees. We are actually breathing natural air. And this part is all about trees, types of trees, and the alpine habitat. Alpine habitat is actually the kind of trees that grow near mountains or mountainous areas, like this. Yeah. We have some natural shades here with natural air, and I guess we are coming to the end of this video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe,
like comment,
this,
share, and turn the notification bell on when you subscribe.
So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, turn the notification bells, the bell on, so that every time you upload a new video, you'll be notified about the video. So guys, when you see this place again where we saw the pygmy hippo, this entails that we are coming to the end of this nature walk, and I think we are going to bring you another video. So stay put, watch the next part or part 2 to see what we've got for you in the next video. So while walking this place, we just have to sign out and just give you a brief explanation and description about this place. So first, when you come here, the entrance fee is 215 Kenyan shillings per person. So the two of us paid 430 Kenyan shillings, and you have to pay with M-Pesa. And I think they also support credit cards because of foreigners who don't have M-Pesa. And this is where we saw the pygmy hippo. And another thing, you are free to walk here. You don't need a guide. Everything is self-explanatory.
They don't limit your time while you walk inside here.
You are not limited, huh?
Yeah.
So they don't limit your time. They don't give you a specific time. So you have to walk here. Take your time, walk. Yeah. See everything that you want to see. Just walk. If you want to walk here, we used 1 hour, about 1 and 30 hours, 1 hour 30 minutes, and for you can just take your time, walk, see anything that you want to see, familiarize yourself with this place, and then you are free to sign out.
There are also some benches you can sit,
Yeah.
relax when you are tired. You have some good shades to enjoy also the fresh air.
You also have washrooms inside this place. So anytime you feel like you need to respond to call of nature, be it a short call or a long call, this place is equipped with very good and modern washrooms. You can imagine a modern washroom inside these trees.
And
This is
it's not
awesome.
only one, there are two.
There are two. So you walk, get one, then walk, get another one, then you finish your walk. And when you finish, you have some good benches here, under shades, good shades with natural air, and you have just to sit down, relax. Yeah? Sit down, take a rest, relax as you wait to sign out. Or you can choose to stay here. But 5:30 p.m. has to get you. You have to be outside here.
Yeah.
You have to be outside, out of this place by 5:30 p.m. So that's it, guys. As we sign out, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Turn on the notifications bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be notified about it. So, guys, that's it. I'll see you around.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand